Myself, T. Suguna, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Government College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about beginning with C++ programming. History of C++. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. C++ was developed by Geraint Strastrup at AT&T Bell Laboratories in Murray Hill, New Jersey, USA. The same lab only C also developed. C++ is an extension of C with a major addition of the class construct feature. Since the class was a major addition to the original C language, Strastrup called the new language as C with classes. However, later in 1983, the name was changed to C++. The idea of C++ comes from the C increment operator ++, thereby suggesting that C++ is an incremented version of C. C++ is a superset of C. The three most important facilities that C++ adds onto the C are classes, functions, overloading, and operator overloading. In addition to this, several features are supported by C++ like data abstraction, data encapsulation, classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, message passing, likewise. This is an example for a C++ program. This is a very simple program. This shows what are all the parts which is available in a simple C++ program. Look at the first statement, sample C++ program. It is preceded by two forward slash. This indicate this is the comment. Here we are using two types of comment. Either we may use double forward slash or single forward slash with asterisk symbol. If we are using double forward slash, then this shows it is a single line comment. Suppose if we are using forward slash close, forward slash and star, that is asterisk, then this will indicate this is the multi-line comment, so it should be closed by star slash. Next statement is the hash include IO stream. This is the header file or preprocessor directive. This shows what are all the libraries which is included for the program. IO stream is input output stream. So this support all the functions that is used for input statements and output statements. Using namespace std. Which namespace is used? That is defined here. Here std is the namespace used for this program. Int main. This is the beginning of a function named main. This is the first executable statement in C++ compiler. Next is open curly brace. This is the beginning of block for main. Cout, hello there. Hello there is specified within a double quotes. This specify this is a string literal. Cout is the output class object. Return 0, send 0 to the operating system. Here the return type for a main function is integer, so we should specify the return value return 0. Then end brace, end curly brace. This will indicate this is the end of a block for main. This is another example C++ program to finding the average of two numbers. The logic behind to find the average of two numbers is we need to get two numbers, then do the addition, then do the division to get the average of two numbers. So first include the header file. Next the first executable statement main. Then declare the required variables. Here num1, num2, sum, average. These are all the variables required. Then we are giving a cout statement. This will just display whatever you are given inside the double quotation mark. Cin num. This is the statement which is used to get the input from the user. Then cout enter number 2. This will display in the screen. Using keyboard we get the second number num2. Then we are adding sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Then find the average by dividing sum by 2. Then finally display sum and average using cout statement. Return 0 is used for a int main function. Then finally close the program. This will display sum and average of two numbers entered by the user. C++ IO stream file. This is the header file used in the C++. This directive causes the preprocessor to add the content of the IO stream file to the program. It contains declarations for the identifier cout and the operator, output operator. The header file IO stream should be included at the beginning of all the programs that use input-output statements. The header files with the .h extension are old style files which should be used with old compilers. So two variations are used. Either it may used with iostream.h or iostream. If the compiler is before version of ANSI C++, then it uses a .h header file. Return type of main. In C++, main returns an integer type value to the operating system. Therefore, every main in C++ should end with the return 0 statement. Otherwise, a warning or an error might occur. Since main returns an integer type value, return type for main is explicitly specified as int. Note that the default return type for all functions in C++ is int. C++ input operator. Cin is the object for a C++ input class iStream. Then the number 1 is the example variable which is used to get using a cin statement. This is an input statement and causes the program to wait for the user to type in a number. The number keyed in it is placed in the variable num1. The operator, that is input operator, also called as extraction or get from operator, because it extracts the data from the user and get in the object cin. It extracts the value from the keyboard and assigns it to the variable on its right. C++ input operator, cout sum. Then sum is the variable which holds the value new line character. This is the example for cascading. Here two input output operators are cascaded. First sends the string sum equal to cout and then send the value of sum. Finally, it sends the new line character so that the next output will be in the new line. The multiple use of that is the cout operator in one statement is called cascading. Then cin also uses operator twice. So this is also an example for a cascading. The values are assigned from left to right. 10 and 20 may be a sample values entered. Then this will be assigned as num1 equal to 10 and num2 equal to 20. C++ output operator, the statement cout, then the operator within double quotation specify the string that is displayed on the monitor. This causes the string in quotation marks to be displayed on the screen. The statement introduces two new C++ features, cout and the operator. Cout is a predefined object that represents the standard output stream in C++. Here the standard output stream represents the screen. It is also possible to redirect the output to other output devices. Here the operator is called the insertion or put to operator. The input operator is called as extraction or get from operator. It inserts the content to the variable on its right to the object on its left. It is important to note that we can still use the printf for displaying an output. You may recall that the operator is the bitwise left shift operator and it can still be used for this purpose using the feature that is supported by object-oriented programming called operator overloading. This is another simple program with the usage of class. Include the required header files or preprocessor directives, iostream, then conio to clear screen and get the variables. Class person, class is the keyword, person is the name which is specified for a given class, roll number and marks. These are all the variables used for this program. These two are called as data members. Then public is the access specifier for the member function declaration. Here we are having two member functions, void get data and void display. Using get data, get the details of a data member's roll number and marks. Using display, display the variables roll number and marks. Then finally main function is defined. The class is defined prior to the main. To use the members and the data members and member functions which is available inside the class, we are first to create the object. The object is per1. Using that object and the member access operator, call the function get data and display to get and display the information. Finally, return 0 used to return the operating system. This is the final structure of a C++ program. First section is include files, for example, iostream, class declaration, then class functions, definitions, then main function program. This is a very simple structure which is followed in a C++ program. Thank you.